let's start with our second graph. This is a graph for a linear relationship between length and t squared, okay? And here we need to select the first column, length, control, press control, and then we're going to select t squared. That means period squared, okay? Now, release your finger from the control key and then go and click in insert. Go to recommended chart. We're going to select 1 to the third one, scatter, okay? Here we have our graph, perfect. Now, we are going to add the thread line of the graph. Click. Now, you are going to see this window. Let's go to thread line. Did you see? In this part, activate this button, and it's already the trend of this graph is already linear, leave it linear. Now let's go back to the graph, delete this part, perfect. Now we can add the title. Once you select here, you are going to see again this window, and let's write down the title for here, perfect. Now let's go back and check. Now we have the title. But let's check this part. Let me stay here. Versus. Okay. Now let's add the names of the variables. Horizontal. Go down. Add this title. Activate this button. And let's write down here length. Perfect. Go back to the graph. Now we have the name of our variable. Now let's do exactly the same for the vertical axis. Go to vertical. Go down. Activate. And write down the name of the variable, in this case, and the units, period square, second square, okay? Perfect. Now we have our second graph with the name of the variables, period square, second square, title, and that's it. That's all. Thank you for watching.